Mastering the magic phrase, it's a pleasure to meet you. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on English greetings and introductions. Today, we are focusing on a very important phrase. It's a pleasure to meet you. This phrase is a wonderful tool to make your conversations more polite, formal, and respectful. Let's jump right in. When we say, "It's a pleasure to meet you," we are expressing happiness or satisfaction from meeting the person. It's a common phrase used in formal or semi-formal situations, especially during first-time meetings. "It's a pleasure to meet you" can be used in various contexts, like at a job interview, business meeting, networking event, or even a social gathering where you're meeting someone for the first time. However, it's generally not used in casual or informal situations with friends or family. When someone says to you, "It's a pleasure to meet you," a suitable response could be, "The pleasure is mine. Nice to meet you too. Likewise." Now let's practice some scenarios together. 1. Scenario A. You are at a job interview. After your interviewer introduces themselves, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Permega II. Last name." 2. Scenario B. You are attending a business meeting with new clients. After introductions, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you all." 3. Scenario C. You are at a dinner party meeting a friend's family. Upon being introduced, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you, Mrs. Last name." Remember, practicing in real or imagined scenarios will make you more comfortable using this phrase. And that's a wrap on our discussion on "It's a pleasure to meet you." Remember, this phrase is a great tool for showing respect and politeness in a formal or semi-formal setting. Keep practicing, and soon it will be second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for our next lesson in this series. Happy learning!